Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my wondernetting channel, and today I'm so excited because we're unboxing something that is going to change how we handle a yarn. An electric yarn winder. That's right, we are done with the manual cranking. This beauty is all about efficiency, minimal effort, and peak your crochet energy. So grab a snack, relax, and let's dive into this high-tech yarn gadget. I'm excited to show you the Caydo and electric yarn winder. This little gadget is designed to make winding your yarn super easy and quick. I've linked this cutie below the video. If you use my code WONDER, you will get 30% off your purchase. Alright, let's crack this box open. You know, it feels like it's a Christmas. Look at this. Okay, that's it. Okay, look at this. It's sleek, it's electric, and it's about to become my new best friend. Now I need to figure out how it works. I have instruction here. Okay, please give me a minute, I will install it and I'll show it to you. So it's like this. Okay. Okay. What's the next step? Okay, here's the winder itself. Very fancy and way more tacky than I thought the yarn tool could be. This is the power cable because who's got the time to manually crank anymore, right? Plug this in and boom, you're ready to win like a pro. It's super scary, but it's fun. Okay. For those of you who are wondering why you even need a yarn winder, here's the deal. Turns your tangled yarn into these perfectly neat yarn cakes. No more chasing after yarn balls like a toddler on the loose. With an electric winder, all you have to do is to press the button, sit back, and watch magic happen. Here's why an electric yarn winder is a game changer. This is how life looks without yarn winder. Messy, chaotic, and you might be tempted to give up. And this is how life looks with yarn winder. Smooth, effortless, and honestly kind of satisfying to watch. It's like going from hand washing clothes to owning a washing machine. Game changed. Plus, when you got an electric winder, it's not just easier, it's way more fun. You press the button and suddenly you're winding yarn like it's an Olympic sport. No need to break a sweat, just sit there and feel like a yarn boss. Here's how you oh my gosh, stop please. Okay, this is how you use this electric winder. First, plug it in. That's your power move right there. Then make sure that your yarn threaded securely through the guide and into the yarn holder. Okay, this part is a key. If you don't secure it right, you end up with flying yarn across your room. Let's be real, no one wants to explain the situation. Now for the fun part. All you have left to do is to turn your power button. Okay, you ready? Let's do this. Something went wrong. Stop. 2, 3. No, it's right. I hope so. Okay, you need to wrap it properly, and here's all the instructions. Okay, action 2. Oh. Okay. I could sit here, make some coffee, and win my yarn all the day. It's like the lazy crafter's dream. Make sure you screw this part on correctly. I messed it up the first time. When it's done right, the winder will stand firmly and won't vibrate while you're using it. Trust me, you don't want it shaking around when you're trying to wind your yarn. Yay! Okay, let's see. It's a perfect yarn cake. Let's try another yarn. It's so satisfying and it's so fun. Okay, what yarn should I choose? I have a yarn that it's not in a skein, and let's see how this cutie will wind it. This yarn is very beautiful and I want to see how it will be in the perfect yarn skein. When you set the yarn up correctly, all you have to do is to press this button and watch as it automatically starts winding your yarn into a perfect cake. I mean, seriously, this is some next level crafting. Just don't get too hypnotized because you might forget to stop when it winds the whole skein. Now a couple of tips I've been picked up while using electric yarn winder. First, make sure your yarn is fitting smoothly into the winder. Any kinks in the flow could cause it to tangle, and that's the last thing we want. Also, don't overfill the cake. If it gets too full, the yarn could start bunching up and not wind properly. Finally, don't rush it. This thing works fast, but you don't need to go max speed all the time. Let it take its time for a perfect even cake. Patience is the key, or so they say. Let's talk options. There are a lot of different types of electric yarn winders out there, but this one from Caydo is affordable and great if you're just starting out. I've linked this cutie below the video, so check it out if you want to upgrade your yarn game. Or if you're feeling bougie, you can just get your personal assistant to wind your yarn, maybe one day, right? And that's the wrap on the electric yarn winder from Caydo. If you are tired of tangled messes and want you to save some time and stress, you need this one in your life. First off, it's got a sleek, compact design that fits nicely on any table or desk. The electric motor takes care of the winding, so you just press a button and watch it go. It handles all kinds of yarn from light cotton to heavier wool, so it's pretty versatile. The base is sturdy and comes with a clamp to keep it in place, so you don't have to worry about it sliding around. Plus, it winds yarn really fast and quietly, so you can keep winding while you watch TV or listen to music. Overall, the Caydo is a great tool if you want to save time and avoid the hassle of tangled yarn. It's easy to use and really speeds up the yarn prep process. If you're into crocheting or knitting, this could be a game changer for you. Trust me, once you go electric, you'll never want to go back. And now, if you will excuse me, I've got a lot of yarn to wind. And also I have a box of yarn there. It's like a marathon but for crafters. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and press that subscribe button for more crochet tips, more tutorials, yarn reviews and yarn gadget reviews. And see you in the next one. Bye, cuties!